Hello everyone, this is Rajan Gautam. Today I am representing team number 13 in the OS Virtual Lab project. So let's directly jump into our code. This is the folder structure where you can see OS Virtual Lab.py. This is the main file that we will be running to run our application. This UI folder contains main.ui. This contains the UI of our application, and this folder contains all the images that we have used. Other folders like concurrency and deadlock, disk scheduler, page replacement, and process scheduler, these folders contains each type of tasks, or you can say algorithms. This process scheduler algorithms were done by our seniors last year. These page replacement algorithms were done by us. This scheduler algorithm were done by group number 23, and this concurrency and deadlock is still remaining, that will be done by maybe our juniors. So let's run our code. It may take some time to run. So this is our home page where you can see the title and 4 buttons which can be used to go to each type of algorithms. First, let's see process scheduling algorithms. This process scheduler was done by our seniors. You can refer the video to know how to run this application. Another one is disk scheduling. This was done by team number 23. This is now in the dark theme. When you click on change theme, you can change the theme. Now let's see concurrency and deadlock. This is still remaining and will be done by maybe our juniors. And this page replacement is our algorithm. This is the home page of our algorithm. So in this screen you can see we have 3 input fields. We need to pass number of frames, page sequence, and we need to choose which type of algorithm we want to use. And we can see the 4 buttons, and this empty area, this is for the table, and this empty area is for the explanation. Here we can see the result and the description. Let's see the description of our project. Here you can see the description of our project in short. So we have explained in short about all the algorithms like first in first out with advantage, disadvantages, last in first out, least recently used, optimal page replacement, random page replacement, and second chance page replacement algorithms. Now let's run an example. You can choose number of frames by scrolling with your mouse. Let's give some input string. Now you need to choose an algorithm and click on run. So it has shown 3 page hit and 9 page halt. When you click on explain, you can see the explanation for the same. When you click on graph, you can see the graph. The FIFO algorithm is the only one algorithm which shows or which suffers from Beladi's anomaly. That is, you can see here the number of page hit has been decreased when we have increased the number of frames, and the number of page fault has been increased when we have increase the number of frames. This is Beladi's anomaly. Now let's give another set of page sequence and run our algorithm. Let's run FIFO. We got total page hit equals to 2, and when you click on explain, you can see the explanation of the same. When you see the table, you can see the red color represents page hit. You can see 1, 2 and 5 are already present in the stack, and after that 1 has come again, so the page hit has occurred. So we have represented it as red color. We can see the total page hit, which is equals to 2, and the total page halt, which is equals to 10, and the hit rate and fault rate are 0.17 and 0.83 respectively. Now let's see the graph. When you click on graph, you can see the graph, and here we can get to know the value of page hit and page fault when the number of frames are equal to 1 to 10. When the number of frames is equal to 2 and till 5, the page hit has increased and page fault has decreased, but after that it is showing the linear line which shows after certain number of frames there won't be any change in the total number of page hit and total number of page fault. In the similar way, we can run another algorithm. You just need to click on run, and it has given 4 page hit. When you click on explain, you can see the explanation of that also, and graph for the same also. Similarly, you can choose another algorithm, and you simply need to click on run, and to know the explanation you just need to click on explain, and to get the graph just click on graph. Similarly, optimal page replacement, so this gives highest number of page hit among all others algorithm. You can see the explanation also and the graph also. And random page replacement, this choose the page which is to be replaced randomly. So you can see the explanation for the random page replacement. Now it has given 4 page hit and 8 page fault. You can see the graph also, and this is second chance page replacement algorithm. It has given 2 page hit, and when you click on explain, it will show the explanation, and you can see the graph for the same also. And this compare button will compare all the 6 algorithms and show a single graph where you can compare all the algorithms. Let's click here. See, we can see all the 6 algorithms, and this first graph is for fault rate and the second is for hit rate. You can see the variation of each algorithms in the graph, and after certain point it has given horizontal line. It means after a certain number of frames all the algorithms behaves like same. So this is it. You can increase the number of frame and run the algorithm. That's up to you. This supports to 99, and you can give as longer as page sequence you want. let's close this. Okay.